Good morning, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. Yesterday, I shared a chart of Eichermotor 1 hour time frame of a new projected high in making. Let us discuss that chart here now. The key levels which we are seeing right now is this immediate support and the highest high which has just failed to sustain. That is the reason the prices are much more likely to just retest this high again, and for a new higher high we can have it as at 6,800 to 6,790 range. Now, first point is the takeaway of this video. Like always, you will learn a new technical analysis aspect or technical analysis tip from my every video you will see. How did I derive this level and how why it is respecting this level so beautifully, just like here. So whenever we have a very long candles like this, or like this, or like this, even these are not that valid ones. So I'll just remove them. But still, something like that. This one is still fine. The one here. So when we have very long candles like this, the middle point of these candles act as a very strong support. Now, middle point means how we will derive to the middle point. That will be the high and low, half of the high plus low, and half of the open plus close. Okay, so if you add open plus close divided and you divide it by two, that is the half of that range of the body range, and the entire candle is high plus low divided by 2, that is the entire candle range. This is the body range and the entire candle range. You'll get two levels here. So when these two levels are placed, they will act as a very strong resistance if the price is like below the line, and if it is above the line, it will act as a very strong support, right? So coming back to the point, when these strong support are there, we have a nearby stop loss. Otherwise, you have to put it like something here. So when these levels are respected, just like here, and we are on a retest, if we are buying it again for the target of 6,713, as I am actually planning to, we'll have a nearby stop loss here, so a few points away from, or never put a stop loss on exact point of support and resistance. That's the second takeaway. I hope you might be knowing. If not, then you have learned something new. So the stop loss will be near below the 6,005. The lower line is 6,557.50. So SL would be near about 6,550 ish, or 48, 47 ish, something like that. So now, coming back to the chart, what exactly is the prediction or the projection of Aisha Motor is prices, as it has failed to sustain this. I didn't even spend any of the time in that session itself. They are more likely to retest the 6,713 again, and on the breach and retest of this, or it can be a swift breakout also. We can see a new higher high of around like 6,800 to 6,790, ish, this range. So almost like 5 to 10 rupees of range here. So we can have a new higher high. For entry purpose, we can actually, I am waiting for a retest here again for another test of this support, to validate that this support is actually validated. Okay, so one, two, three times of a test of any support and resistance will make it more valid to act on. You can actually place stop losses below that, because below that the prices are tend to touch this support zone again, and that's around falling at 6,425 ish range. So for the buy side, we have 6,713. For the sell side, if the price is breaking the support and retesting it as resistance, we have a selling opportunity, and I will be looking for a sell for the target of 6,425 first. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to join our channel, because I'll be sharing many such charts there first. And you have any doubt, you can either comment below on this video, and we have our WhatsApp number also. So just message there, and we'll get back to you. Have a very profitable day. See ya.